Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by establishing a controlled line layout and quality checkpoints for continuous nacho production. Preheat tortilla chip oven to 350 degrees F and verify 3 conveyor lanes are running. Set up ingredient batching stations with 50 kg sacks of masa flour and measure additives. 2. 5% salt and 6% vegetable oil by weight, using scales calibrated daily. Maintain hacked zones and log temperature every 30 minutes. Assign staff to monitor moisture at 3.5% target and ensure packaging area remains free of cross-contamination. In the cooking stage, fry or bake chips to a moisture target of 3.5% and a golden color in 90-120 seconds, depending on oil type and oven wattage. Transfer chips to a 6-meter assembly tunnel where toppings are applied. Apply cheese or seasoning on a 6-meter spray tunnel with 1.2 m/min belt speed for even coverage. Portion finished trays at 250 G and seal with nitrogen flush at 0.3 bar to extend shelf life. Use metal detectors after packaging to catch ferrous contamination. Finalize the process with strict quality control. Perform random sensory checks every 4 hours and record crispness on a 1/5 scale, noting any off odor or oiliness. Hold finished product at ambient 20-22 degrees C for 24 hours before shipping tests to simulate transit conditions. Record shelf life studies and microbial swabs per protocol, then label each box with batch code and production date and traceability details. Train staff on recall procedures and maintain inventory logs. Form 1099 is not used for inventory or production reporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.